everyone, welcome back. I am going to share with you my Sephora VIB sale haul, but this is a, what do you call it? It's a haul over time. This was the appreciation sale, the friends and family sale, and then the VIB sale that's actually going on right now. So if you want to see all the things that I got, let's get to it. Let's get into all the things that I got. Where do I start? Do I do makeup first? Do I do skincare? I don't know. Let's do makeup first. That way, for those of you who aren't interested in skincare, you can jump out. However, you may want to stay to the end. You just might. Okay, makeup-y things, makeup-y things, makeup-y things. First thing I picked up, and some of these things, actually everything I think I've used. Yes, everything I've used. Sorry, I feel like it's been forever since I filmed a video, and I don't know when the last time I filmed a haul was. So, I picked up the Wander Beauty. I've always wanted to been trying some things from Wander Beauty. So they had this little kit for, oh, by the way, happy Halloween. Can you tell? I have my grandma sweatshirt on. It's about the extent of the Halloween I get around here now that my kids are all grown. Okay, so they had this New York Minute little kit from Wander Beauty, and it came with this very cute little, tiny little cosmetic bag. And it came with a mascara, a dual-ended eye pencil, and a mini lip crayon. And the mini lip crayon is the only thing I like out of this kit. This mascara, it says volume and curl. It's shaped as a curved, but I received no volume. I don't know about the curl because my lashes are normally pretty curled, but I had really difficulty getting the mascara to build. It didn't look like I was wearing mascara at all. In fact, the only thing it looked like is that I had maybe some eyeliner down at the bottom of my lashes. I took this when I traveled with me to give it a good try, and I just didn't like this mascara, which I'm very sad about. And I was very excited about this dual eye pencil. It has an eyeliner pencil, which you can see. It's a very, very creamy eye pencil, but it keeps breaking off. Yep, it's broke off again. Can I get it out of there? Nope. It kept breaking off, and it was so creamy that when I would put it on, it would melt literally all over down here. I would try to put it on just up here to get a little bit of blackness in my top eyelid, but it just kept melting down, and it was terrible. It never did set, and it was terrible. And this is dried out. So that's the color. It's a pretty taupe color, and it sets and it stays there, but it's broken. When I opened it, it came right out, and I can't get it to stay in here. So it's really not great for traveling. I think I'll probably keep it in my drawer to try and use this, but I have a feeling this is going to dry out really, really fast because it keeps falling out. And then there is this little lip pencil, and it is the only thing in there that I like. This is what you get. That's all you get in there. And it's a really creamy, really pretty, lovely, everyday color. It says it's in the color Pink City, and it's really pretty. Out of this little set, the lip crayon was the only thing that I care for. So it was a nice little set because when I got it, it was on sale in their online. It was on their sale page. So on sale, it was a good deal, but then getting it for a discount was even better because these are full sizes. This is a mini, and this was the only thing that I liked. Okay, the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Shadow in the color Smoke. This is gorgeous. I get a little bit of fallout. I know a lot of people have said they don't. I do. I like using my finger. This is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It reminds me of the L'Oreal shadows, but oh, it is so pretty. It's just so much shine. Now, I'm not wearing this on my eyes today, but I have worn this a lot, and actually this makes for, you could put this over, but look at the shine and the shimmer in this, and it is so pigmented. It's so pretty. And I swatched the others in store, and really for me, I liked this one better because it's really nice all over the lid, just as a regular everyday shadow. It's really pretty. What I'm wearing on my eyes today is actually the NATASHA DENONA, the Lila palette, the mini. And I'm wearing this in my crease, this all over my lid, this on the outer V, and this under my lashes. And this looks nothing like this. But this is I think is a nice natural look. So this is a really great palette. It feels really sturdy. I know it's plastic, but for NATASHA DENONA, I think it's a really great deal. I wanted the other mini palettes, but they didn't have them. They were all sold out. So those are still on my list. I also picked up the McGrath Mini MatteTrance Trio, the little minis, and this is the Flesh. I think it was called the Flesh. Yeah, the Flesh. You get 3 colors, and look, aren't they so cute? I know everybody's seen these. The color that I'm wearing on my lips today is, let me put my grandma glasses on. I got my grandma's shirt on. I might as well have grandma glasses. It's $19.95. So I'm wearing $19.95, which is this one. That's what I have on my lips. And I'm sure you've seen these all over. This is the color Omni. It's a little bit darker. That's that one. Is in the color Flesh 3, and it's the darkest one. But these are all really good neutral colors, and they're creamy. The texture is very creamy, but they're matte lip color, and I really like them. I just checked today, Halloween, they're sold out. But stay to the end because I have a surprise. I picked up the Clinique Get Cheeky palette that has the 3 blushes. These are full-size cheek pops, and these are in the color, I think this is Pink Honey, Black Honey, and Nude Pop. And oh wow, look at this one. I think this one's, it's spinning, so I think he's gonna come out. But there's Pink Honey, Black Honey, and Nude Honey. And Nude Honey is so light, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it on my skin. Pink Honey, Black Honey, and Nude Pop. I've worn these. They're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. This is a really great deal. There's no mirror up here, so this is $29, and I think the regular ones are like $27. But this is a really great deal. It is a really great deal. So get that. You should get that. You can try 3 colors for the price of 1. I debated and debated and debated, but because of the 3 different VIB sales that they had, the VIB Appreciation, the Friends and Family, and then the VIB sale, I was able to pick up the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked. And so this is the one with the bunny on it, and I am wearing this today. I'm wearing everything? No, I'm not wearing this color. It has 2 finishing powders, a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a metallic strobe powder. So this is Champagne Strobe Light. This blush is Mood Flush. This is Nude Glow. The bronzer is Bronze Light. And then this is Filtered Light and Soft Light. And so I kind of mixed these 2 for my bronzer. This is my blush. This is my very, very soft highlight, but it's very, 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 very pretty. And then this is my finishing powder. I didn't use this yet, this blush. I didn't use it at all. It's kind of rosy, goldish kind of, but you're not going to be able to really see much on my hand, but they're just very soft, very natural, very, very beautiful, and I've been dying to get one of these every year that the edit palettes come out, and I've just, you know, they're just, when you can get 20% off, that's the best time. So best time to get it is when they have the sale. I didn't get the Edit 4, I got the Unlocked. I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I did put this on right after I put my foundation on today, but here is this is in medium, and I thought maybe I got too dark, but I might, if I can, if during the sale it's not over yet, maybe get the light. It looks really nice. It kind of made my skin, just kind of brought everything together and made it look a little bit more, I guess flawless is the right word. Right now, I'm not sure what all the hype is. Everybody's been raving about it, so I wanted to try it. And I've used it, and I like it. Am I in love with it? No. Do I think it's a must-have? No, because I think the NYX powder is also very good. But we'll see. I'll let you know if I change my mind on that. I think that's all of the makeup, you guys. Everything else is skincare. Oh, I did get the SlipSilk scrunchies that was like the, you know, the silk for your pillowcase. It's the same material. It's in the form of a scrunchie, and I've already lost a black one. Black is great for my hair, but I've lost it it's gone. But these are nice. So now that I've shown you, I can take these and go lose the rest of them. But I like them. I don't have any kind of, like you can wear this at night and it won't leave, at least in my hair, it didn't leave any kind of indentation in my hair or anything. So that's the only hair product I got. I don't even know if you would consider that a hair product. I wanted the fresh black tea mask because that was, oh my gosh, I was dying for that. And I ended up going with this KIEHLS Gingerleaf and Hibiscus firming mask. Now I know it's an overnight mask, but it had, compared to the fresh ingredients, this had so much more fruit enzymes and extracts in it, and it's really thick. And it's not a good time for me to tell you if this has a scent or not. It's pleasant, but it's not fruity and it's not flowery. But this is very thick consistency, and I really like the way that my face feels in the morning after having this on all night. And I'm glad I got it. I did get the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water Skin Nutrition Face Mist with a Vitamin Fruit Complex. I got the smaller size, tested it on my face. It smells good, it feels good, it is an extremely fine mist. I use it as a hydrating facial mist. I don't use it to put on my face to prime or to set. I really just use this as I'm sitting here throughout the day working, or after I'm done with my makeup and I'm like, it looks a little dry. It feels very, 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 very nice. It says it's antioxidant glow water. I don't know if it does anything about glowing, but antioxidants, yes. So another thing I got, which, you know, I had went to Sephora and I asked the girl, I was wanting to know about the Volition Snow Mushroom Serum. I was curious about that, wanting to know if it would help with fine lines, you know, and aging. And they said to use the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, which everybody raves about the Honeymoon Glow. And because it has 14% AHA, BHA, flower acid blend to exfoliate, and it has Echinacea Green Envy, honey to hydrate. It says it's the first of its kind. I've been using it about twice a week. I think I'm gonna start using it 3 times a week just because I have really dry skin. Right now, I can't tell you, I've used it, but I can't tell you if it's as fabulous as everybody says. I'm trying it. Okay, I'll let you know. I had a small sample of the Youth to People Kale Tripeptide Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid. I had a small one. This is it. I used it all, and I went back and I got the full size, and I filled up my small one so that I could take this when I travel. So this is the full size. It's small. It's 1 pump truly is all you need. Don't go overboard with this stuff. Please, if you get this, do not go overboard with it. 1 pump is enough because it's the hyaluronic acid, which is powerful, help retain the water in your skin and the moisture, and it's just, that's all you need. What I would suggest is put this on right after you put on an essence. So you tone, and then for me, I tone and then I do an essence, and then I put this on immediately so that with that it helps absorb, and I like that. What it's doing for my skin, I don't know, but I think it helps everything else just absorb even better. Man, this is so long. I'm gonna have to edit the heck out of this. Okay, another thing that I picked up was the Go-To Exfoliating Swipeys. And these are, it says it's for glowing skin, and it's grapefruit, I think, extract. But this is what I like. It says swipe you later, skater. It's really cute. That's the packaging. But these are really just small little, smells so good, exfoliating pads. It says for glowing skin. I like using an exfoliating wipe when I get up in the morning. It has lactic acid, aloe vera, mandarin, and lemon. So not grapefruit, but mandarin and lemon. I knew it had citrus in here. I knew it. I do like these. I think I enjoy the scent more than the actual exfoliating. This has the AHA and the BHA. I think I like the glycolic ones better, like the Nip Fab. I think I like those better, but I'm using these and I really like these. So if this is something that's on your list, I would say yes, it's a good product, at least for me. The next thing I got is, I was looking at this BLITHE, is it BLITHE? Is that the way you pronounce it? BLITHE pressed serums. And this is the Tundra Chaga pressed serum. It says it's a hybrid serum and moisturizer. So you can use it in place of a serum as your moisturizer. I use it in addition to my moisturizer. So I use this as a serum, and then I go ahead and put my moisturizer on. I have used a chunk of it. It's icky looking and doesn't really have a scent, and it came with a spoon, so I used that spoon. But I'm really enjoying this. This is for more of normal to dry skin, and I think that they had another pressed serum that was ice something that was for normal to oily skin. So if you run on the oily side, you should get that one, but this one is the Chaga pressed serum, and I'm really enjoying this. I think my skin is reacting to it really well because I've been using it for a couple of weeks. This was what I got at the appreciation, when they had the appreciation sale. Another thing I picked up was the Dr. ROEBUCK'S Collagen Boosting Eye Treatment, and with coconut oil, amino acids, and caffeine. So I have just started using this because I just finished my Clinique eye cream. So you can't see it. I haven't dipped in here yet. It's kind of hard to see because I used off the lid. But this is a very interesting consistency. It's not creamy. It's more of a thicker texture. Interesting to me that an eye cream isn't, well, it's not like the Clinique gel moisturizer cream for your eyes. I'll go ahead and dip my finger in here. So here is the consistency. It's when you smooth it in, it doesn't absorb. I just don't know how to explain it, but I just started using it, so I can't really tell you a whole lot about it. I don't like to introduce a new product until I'm done using the product that I open. Once I open a product, unless I have a reaction to it or some sort, I will finish it all before I move on to another product. And then the last thing that I picked up was the Miracle Water, the It Cosmetics Miracle Water. Right now I'm using the Lancome Rose Lotion Toner, and I'm almost done with it, and I knew that I was going to need some more. I wanted to pick up the Indie Lee, but this is twice as much, and this is great for dry skin. This says it's a miracle water. It's a 3-in-1 tonic for anti-aging. I used this up before I wanted to replace it and get another one, because this, I will use this as a toner, but you could use it, says it's a micellar cleanser or an essence or toner, and I put it on, I use it as a toner, and then I put my essence on, because oh my gosh, this does not make my skin feel dry. This does not make my skin feel like it needs a drink of water. You know, sometimes how you cleanse your skin, you exfoliate, you cleanse, then you tone your face, and your skin feels like, oh man, I need a drink of water. It feels so tight. This doesn't do that. It feels absolutely wonderful on my dry skin, so I picked it up and got a new one. I think that's everything that I got in the last 3 sales that will last me till the next sale, I'm sure. So there it is. So I got an extra one of these Pat McGrath Mini MatteTrance Skin Show Trio. Mini MatteTrance Skin Show Trio. So I'm going to have a giveaway. All the information will be down below except for this right here. And it is the topic that I want you to put down below. And I want to put what you're thankful for right now. Right now, as you're watching this today, and you're thinking probably somebody is vain or whatever, but I'm very thankful for my family and for my job. There's been things that's happened this year, and I'm just very thankful for my family and for my job. So I would like to know what you're thankful for. It could be something very simple. Maybe you're just thankful for me time where you can go take a bath. Maybe I should be thankful for that. Thankful that I'm can go in and take a bath. That I have a bathtub, then the water runs and I can take a bath if I want. That's what I want you to put down below. What are you thankful for right now when you're watching this video? Put that down below. Follow the link that I have down below for the giveaway. You must be subscribed. Don't forget. And have a great time and good luck. Have a great time in life. You know, just enjoy. Focus on the good and the happy. Come back and see me again. Bye.